Hello and welcome to the channel. So today we are going to dedicate this video just for the Tesla analysis. I think the Tesla stock deserve a video just on its own. The previous videos we have been just covering four stocks, but this one is just going to be all about Tesla. Okay. Before we proceed, this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. If you have been following our channel for some time, you know that we have been following Tesla for quite a while. We have picked up some new um, levels to watch. We discussed that in yesterday's video. Also, we had pointed out a very key level of 105, which we described as potential strong support. I am going to change that to strong support because this is what it seems to have turned into. And in this video, for all those new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I am just going to go through this pattern one more time with you guys so that you understand what we are talking about. Okay, so this is the Tesla stock daily chart. I am going to move to actually the weekly chart because it's a little bit clearer here. I will find the link to the first video in which we had identified this 105 level in advance, quite a few days or weeks in advance actually, where we thought this market was heading to and where there was potentially a strong support. Okay, so what this level is, it is the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the lows back in March of 2020 to the highs of 1st of November 2021. And this was accompanied by another key pattern which we like to watch, which is the one to one. So what do I mean by one to one? If you take this segment, which is basically the top here and the bottom here, so labeled as A, B, and you project it from the recent high reached here, which is point C, it was coming down to about 105 level or a little bit lower than that. But given the fact we had this Fibonacci retracement level of 106.84 to be precise, and we had this 101 to 1 projection coming around 105 level, we had a confluence level of two really key patterns coming together, informing us that there is potentially going to be pretty strong support level here, and we could anticipate a strong rejection or perhaps a lower price. And what this is exactly what we have seen. The market seem to have held this level, and we have had for about 1, 2, 3, and 4th week we are in a strong move to the upside. Coming back to the daily chart, so here what we can see is that in fact the price tested this 105 level on 3rd of January. Then there was a bit of consolidation for a couple of days, and in fact it tried to move lower. So the price actually tried to break below this level, and in fact the low was actually 10 um, 103 was the 101.81 was actually the low, but price rejected the lower price and closed higher, and that was a really good indication that okay, uh, price has rejected lower price. So what does it mean? It's likely to move higher, and this is what we have seen. However, we have to be more careful because indeed this bear move in the stock had been going on for quite a while. You can see the stock topped back in um, November of 2021. So, whole of 2020 was a bear move. There were significant rallies, and you can watch our old videos where we really looked at certain key points where both for resistance and for support. Okay, now in this CD leg, as we had already seen that on the weekly chart, we were watching for certain key things which were going to give us a good idea of whether this move is just another rally which could just fizzle out, or it could be something more. So what we were looking at was, you can see there have been like couple of rallies. So the first rally was this one. I'll just come to this. I found strong resistance, or a double or a triple top here. And then within the CD leg, there have been like rallies of this magnitude, one, two, and this was going to be our third. So what this is, that every time when market rallied for about this much in magnitude, sellers came in and they sold the stock. So this is what is called a bearish symmetry in the market. So our first clue was that, okay, let's see if the stock is strong enough and if it is able to take out this bearish symmetry. And also we had a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level coming right here. So it was a strong confluence level with these two aspects coming together. And then what we also had was this. So this is, the first one was a little bit higher move in terms of magnitude, and we also had this is what we were also watching. So that was going to be our another level about 150, which we were watching. And in yesterday's video, actually what I mentioned was the stock is approaching a resistance zone. And what is that zone? That zone is between this 150 level to 162 approximately. And this 162 level is actually the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. So it is a key level which we are watching here. And what we have seen today in terms of the price action after the earnings were out. So the earnings were out last night after the close of the market. Uh, what we saw in today's market action, price action, was a positive reaction, and the stock gapped up and by several percentages. And what did it do? It just closed right under the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. So this is the resistance zone which we are watching. By resistance zone, what we mean is that we have to look at the price action here. And if you look at the bottom here, which was around, reaching 102 level, and where it is, which is 162 nearly, that's a pretty significant move going on for about 4 weeks. There is a possibility that there could be some profit taking perhaps, and the stock could actually pull back. And what is the level it could pull back to? Let's just try to quickly see. Our first um, level which we'll watch is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, which will bring us back to about 138, 139 dollars per share. And that there's also a little bit of structural support here. Let's take a look on the left hand side if there's more structural support around this level. No, not much. Okay, so there is a possibility that perhaps over the coming few days, weeks, the stock could retrace to this level. So I'll just put a question mark here. And we'll be watching this level. So we'll be watching over the next few days. Tomorrow is Friday, so it's the end of the week. We could have some profit taking coming in. So we'll be watching the price action in this stock, and of course I will be making videos and informing you as we see the price action develop in this stock. So this is what we are looking at in Tesla stock, which we have been following for quite some time. And there are some older videos from last year, um, even going back 2021, which can give you a pretty good idea of how we actually analyze the market. If you like our technical analysis and how we look at the things, then please do subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. That just means that I will just keep on making more and more videos for you guys Um, I do this analysis personally for myself, and I like making this video. And if there is, if you like these videos, then I know that I should do more videos and bring out more material, more content for other kind of stocks and other markets that I'm watching as well. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please do smash that like button and also hit that bell icon button. That way you will know when the new videos have been posted. Please do subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck and good trading.